How to check and replace the door switch. If the problem with your dryer is that it won't start in any of the cycles that you try it on, one of the parts that you will need to check is the door switch. Open the door on the dryer and try the switch to see if it clicks. If the door switch clicks, it's a good chance that it's okay, but you still need to check it out. If the actuator or plunger is broken, the switch is bad and you need to replace it. Let me show you how to check it out. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Open the lint filter cover and remove these two screws. Use a flat screwdriver like this to open the top panel. Then lean the panel against the wall. Use the edge of a potty knife to disengage the switch from the harness. Make a jumper wire like this to bypass the switch. Apply solder to the ends and then use a file and file down the ends until it fits the wire harness. Connect the jumper wire between the terminals of the white and blue wires on the harness, like this. Then put some electrical tape around it to insulate the connection. Lower the top panel and leave it like this. Connect the dryer to the wall outlet. Set the dryer on a drying cycle and push the start button. If the dryer runs okay with the jumper wire, then you know that you need to replace the door switch. You should use the jumper wire for testing purposes only and not as a replacement for the door switch, because the dryer will run with the door open when you're using a jumper wire. And if a kid opens the door and stick a hand in, he's going to get hurt. So replace the switch if it's bad, okay? Now let me show you how to replace the switch. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Open the top panel and lean it against the wall. Remove the electrical tape and remove the jumper wire from the wire harness. Connect the new switch to the wire harness. Remove the two holding screws from the bad switch. Grab the bad switch and pull it out. Use the edge of a potty knife like this to disengage the switch from the wire harness. Connect the new switch to the wire harness and set it in place. Secure the switch in place with the two holding screws. Lower the top panel and lock it in place. Install these two screws. Set the timer on a drying cycle and push the start button. The dryer should start running, and when you open the door on the dryer should stop running. That was the way to check and replace the door switch.